So Rexel is the expert in the multi-channel distribution for the energy world. So everything you can think about with electricity, more or less. Rexel supports his professional customers with sustainable and also innovative solutions wherever they are in the world. We have around 24,000 employees all over the world, 25 countries. So quite a big company, very interesting to work with different companies in different areas in the world. Our customers are installers, commercial companies, and industries. So that is also our way why we need that multi-channels to connect our customers with different channels. We sell around 400,000 articles. Not all are in stock, but most of them. And also on top, why we come to you, I think so also the digitalization within Rexel means that we need to go into a transition to a data-driven company. So we really would like to use our data to work in our daily work with our daily workload plan and act based on this. And that's why we need also to present the data. And for us, data is the key. We need to create reports to control, especially our warehouse operations. We need to have live presentations in our warehouses with screens and visualization of the data for all our employees. And that brought us somehow to Valota Live.
Could you tell how you use Valota Live in your daily life, in your office environments and logistic environments, and what features made you choose us over others?
So we have 3 topics where we use it. We use it for Power BI reports in logistics. On second, we use it in sales, and on top we use it as a presentation to like presenting PDF files, new information from our management. So mainly in our logistics, we see some examples. We have live analysis in our distribution center control towers, so where our operators, super users for our warehouse management systems are sitting, and they need information. What we do there, for sure, we have information within our warehouse management system, but in different screens sometimes, and sometimes we also need information from our ERP system or different other systems like TMS systems. So that's what we want to combine. So that's what we have managed here. We have created a Power BI screen. We have a big screen in our control tower where we see live data. For instance, how many open replenishments do we have? Where do we have errors, like on box calculations? Or in which areas we need more operators because the workload is quite high. So that's quite nice to integrate that with Power BI and just to push it automatically. And then it's also cool that we can plan when we show which things. So in the morning we need more as screens for our inbound processes. In the afternoon we need the outbound processes. On the second part, out in the warehouse for our operators, we also have a live information, how many open order lines they need to pick, so that also our operators get a feeling what's going on. For this day, is it a quite high day or a normal day? It's quite good at that. And then we have a special screen which really worked good. We're using it also in another country now on our conveyor belts. So we need to scan our packages into different transport boxes. And here, for sure, we have our scanners within our warehouse management systems where we see when they scan something incorrect to a box. But if they do not scan anything and just place it, we still have it physically system-wise on our conveyor belt. So we have a big screen in front of the conveyor belts where they see always live data of the last 15 minutes, and they see if there are still some packages has been not scanned or so they can search for it or so. That worked quite good on that, and we optimized and increased also our quality, transport quality by this. I must say the impact was just to have the possibility to show live data in our warehouses. So our operators are much more happier to see the live data. Our operators in our control towers, our super users, are much more happier because they see the live data. They don't need to look in different systems and don't need to open their report manually on their computer, or they need a second screen to see their live report. They just have it on a big screen somewhere in the warehouse. Also, when they walk through the warehouse, they see the reports there. And this absolutely will have or hasn't had an effect in our daily productivity, in our quality for our customers. So that was the biggest effect from that point of view. And then also for internal communications, it makes it also much more easier, especially in that pandemic situation where we had every second week or so on different regulations, how to wear a mask and all that stuff, presenting videos. So it made us much more easier to present information to our operators.
Data at a glance with ease, I guess.
Yes, true.
Exactly. Well, I think that's everything we wanted to cover. Thank you so much, Thomas, for having this talk with us and presenting your experience around Volatile Live and how you came about. And yeah, thank you so much. Highly appreciate it.
You're welcome. Looking forward to new functionalities also with Volatile Live.
We are working on them as we speak.